In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query Snowflake. If you're new to Snowflake, or even if you've been using it for a while, this guide will help you confidently navigate querying data using standard SQL syntax. Snowflake's ability to handle SQL queries is one of its standout features, and understanding how to effectively use its capabilities is key to getting the most out of your data. Let's start with the basics. Snowflake, like many other database systems, utilizes standard SQL for querying its data. Whether you're an experienced SQL user or just beginning, you'll find that Snowflake follows familiar querying conventions. One of the main platforms you can use to interact with Snowflake's data is Snowsite, which is Snowflake's web-based user interface that allows you to write and execute your SQL queries easily. To construct a basic SQL query in Snowflake, you'll begin with the select statement. This is the backbone of most data retrieval commands in SQL. It allows you to specify exactly which data you want to retrieve, generally in the form of columns. A simple example would look like this. Select column 1 and column 2. Here, you're specifying that you want to retrieve the data from column 1 and column 2. It's important to note that if you want all the columns from a table, you can use an asterisk. However, using specific column names generally helps in retrieving only the necessary data. Next, you want to define your target table, which is the source of your data. This is done using the from clause. For instance, in our example, we're accessing data from my table. It's always a good practice to know your database's schema so you can accurately reference the table names. Now, if you have specific conditions for the data you're fetching, you can use the where clause. This is an incredibly powerful feature when you want to filter the results to meet certain criteria. Let's say you only want rows where a particular condition is met. This might look something like where condition, with condition being your specific filtering criteria. Once you have your data filtered down, organizing it in a meaningful way is often the next step. That's where the order by clause comes in. This facilitates sorting your data based on the values within a specified column. You could, for instance, order your results by column 1, which helps in maintaining clarity and aids in comparative analysis of data. By understanding and utilizing these components, select, from, where, and order by, you'll be well equipped to perform powerful data queries in Snowflake. As you become more familiar with Snowflake and confident in constructing and refining your queries, you'll find extracting insightful data becomes second nature. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to try out these queries and watch as your proficiency in Snowflake grows. Happy querying!